what's up guys, my name is Aditya and welcome to AGT Tech. Well guys, today we are having a wonderful news regarding the iPhone manufacturing in India. Well guys, Foxconn has done a $1 billion investment into the Indian manufacturing unit. Well guys, we all are familiar with the current situation with the India-China border, and not just that, currently Washington and Beijing are facing from a huge trade war. In short, America and China are currently not doing well in terms of the trade relations. And guys, because of this trade war, a company like Apple is facing huge problems in terms of the production demand. And guys, because of which Apple has done a $1 billion investment in India, and Apple has ordered 45 million units of the iPhone XR, iPhone SE and iPhone 11. So guys, in short, there is not going to be any problem of less stock regarding any iPhone, and because of which we will see a tremendous price drop. And guys, who else doesn't want to see the iPhone 11 for 50,000 rupees? Well guys, the iPhone 11's production will start around November or December, but it is pretty much confirmed that the production of all of the three iPhones is going to be getting rapidly started in India. And guys, because of this factor, our Indian economy will also grow significantly. Guys, take example of the iPhone SE, which is currently available for 42,000 rupees. The price tag can come around 35,000 rupees. Take example of the iPhone XR. Currently it is available for 49,000 rupees, and who knows, the price tag can come even below 45 or 40,000 rupees. And guys, when the production of the iPhone 11 will start, the price tag can come around 50,000 rupees. And guys, it is pretty much obvious that if the price tag of iPhones will reduce in India, so many people will buy iPhones, and because of which the sales of iPhones will increase. And guys, if Apple gets a successful future in India, who knows, they might start the manufacturing of the iPhone 12 lineup in India, and because of which our India can become the biggest exporter of iPhones. And not just that, iPhone's price tag can become little bit reasonable. So guys, I hope that you have liked this video, and guys, if you like to stay updated regarding Apple's ecosystem, then definitely consider subscribing to my channel, and I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then, peace.